Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is June 10th, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Kaspersky, a renowned Russian cybersecurity firm, has uncovered a sophisticated attack chain dubbed Operation Triangulation. This chain exploits 4 iOS zero-day vulnerabilities, allowing attackers to execute remote code on iPhones without user knowledge. Kaspersky reported one of these vulnerabilities to Apple, anticipating a security bounty. However, Apple refused to pay, citing sanctions against Russia and their own terms and conditions. This incident underscores the complexities multinational companies face in receiving rewards for their cybersecurity contributions. Despite the lack of a bounty, Apple's response was swift, issuing emergency security patches to protect users. In another development, Apple has rejected the UTM app, a generic PC system emulator for iPhone and iPad, from the App Store. This decision comes despite recent rule changes that permit retro game console emulators. Apple deemed the PC emulator unsuitable under Rule 4.7 of the App Review Guidelines. The developers also allege that Apple is blocking the app from third-party app stores in the EU. UTM chose not to contest the ruling, as the submitted version had limited functionality due to restrictions on JIT compilers. Nonetheless, UTM remains available through sideloading methods for open-source software, and its Mac version is still listed in the Mac App Store. Next, let's talk about a controversial Apple advertisement that has stirred quite a bit of backlash. The ad, titled Crush, features a mechanical compactor crushing various items to create an iPad Pro. Despite its high production quality, the ad was criticized for its lack of creativity and focus on monetization rather than innovation. Even actor Hugh Grant weighed in with criticism. Apple has since apologized and decided not to air the ad on TV. This incident highlights a broader trend in tech advertising, where companies like Apple and Google are focusing more on refining existing products rather than introducing groundbreaking innovations. Yesterday, Apple released a security update for iOS, sparking speculation due to the lack of details provided. The bug was found in the SSL/TLS code, where a coding error allowed for successful signature verification, even with incorrect private key usage. This affected iOS versions before 7.0.6 and OS X versions before 10.9.2. The bug could be exploited by sending a correct certificate chain, but signing the handshake with the wrong private key. Fortunately, the issue did not impact Chrome and Firefox, as they use NSS for SSL/TLS. The bug was fixed in iOS 7.6 and OS X 10.9.2, but it serves as a reminder of the importance of thorough code review. Lastly, the Apple Platform Security Crash Course offers a comprehensive overview of the security features of the Apple Silicon platform. The security model is built on layered mechanisms to ensure system integrity, per-container security policies, user trust root, paired recovery, disk encryption, and more. The Secure Enclave Processor, SEP, plays a crucial role in orchestrating these features. The document explains how the system maintains data integrity from firmware to macOS, using mechanisms like boot policy and sealed system volume (SSV). It also discusses how users can experiment with a more permissive environment while maintaining a secure macOS installation. Additionally, the document covers disk encryption, file vault, and the importance of user credentials in securing data. Notably, Apple's security model allows third-party operating systems to coexist with macOS without compromising security, as demonstrated by Asahi Linux, which creates a separate APFS container for its OS. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay updated and stay secure. See you next time.